I'm glad I wore a hat today because, I mean, look, this is ridiculous.
Oh, we are twins.
Yeah, hat's going back on.
Good.
Today we're doing Polish food.
Voila!
Alright, so what food are we making today?
It's very popular. It's kind of traditional dish, and it's called PLACKI ZIEMNIACZANE.
PLACKI ZIEMNIACZANE. Alright, so what goes into these potato pancakes? We've got potato, we've got an onion. What else?
Flour, extra virgin oil, salt and pepper.
What's this one?
It's a mixture of seasoning I'm going to use to create an extra flavor. And then as a topping, we're going to use some cottage cheese and parsley.
So we've got like 13 like medium-sized potatoes.
Small size.
How many people could you feed with this?
2 big adults. Very specifically, I guess.
How many tiny adults?
Do you want something to drink?
Yes.
Just a shot, nothing else.
A shot or two?
Yeah. No more than that.
Or 3?
No. In England, you guys say cheers, isn't it?
Yeah, what do you say?
We say na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie.
And that means
It sounds so
I
cool.
I wish you all the best, great health.
Na zdrowie.
Na zdrowie.
Na
Na
zdrowie.
zdrowie. Oh, that is so good.
Whoa. What? God damn it. What's the name of the Polish city you live?
I was born and raised in Świebodzin. It's famous for having the biggest Christ statue in the world, bigger than the one in Rio. So we peel the potatoes now,
Yeah.
and now we have to wash them.
Okay.
I'm going to use the small holes now, and then eventually I'm going to do the big one.
Na zdrowie.
This is so good.
Shall I grate the onion?
Yes, please.
Alright. You've got to strain it.
Perfect. See?
Nice.
That is actually really nice.
So do we need to add anything to this?
Not yet.
Okay.
This is a special occasion.
I mean, I'm not complaining.
Ah, that's good then.
Drinking and cooking goes well.
Na zdrowie.
Yeah. I've noticed you wear your wedding ring on your right hand, not your left.
Yes.
Is that a Polish thing or a you thing?
Ah, no. It is the European thing. I think in England.
Are we the weird ones? We do it weird?
I don't want to be rude, but yes. Okay, that looks really good now. We need to keep one thing from that liquid. Get away with all the dirty stuff. We have this white thing here. And that is called a starch.
That's starch?
Yes.
That's what starch looks like?
Yeah.
I've never seen starch.
Here we go, that's a starch.
Whoa.
And that gives the flavor to those potatoes, so I'm going
Whoa.
to get them back. See that? Eggs. That's number 1. That's number 2. Perfect. Yeah.
So now I do
the big one.
bigger, graty whole things?
That's it.
Why?
To create the extra crispiness. It's going to be more crispy.
I like that. I like the sound of that.
Salt.
Uh-huh.
Not too much, obviously. Teaspoon.
Okay. That's probably a teaspoon.
It has to be salt in there. Not too much.
Yeah, what? Carrot, onion, parsley. Is that potato? No.
I don't think so.
Parsnip. Hell yeah. So what? It's just seasoning a mix of those.
Dry seasoning. That's what it is.
So if you can't, if you can't get this in your local shop?
You just use
Get
salt
the
and
next
pepper.
best
That's
thing.
it. Fry pan, hot oil. We're good to go.
This looks crazy good. Are you supposed to spread the cottage cheese over all
The
of
way-
it, or?
You can just arrange the way you want it. That's it. Just try
Yeah.
it first and then you tell me.
That's ridiculous.
It's actually good.
That's so good. That is so good. Oh my god.
I'm very pleased to hear that.
I'm gonna make this.
Often, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Good. But be careful, it's quite fatty.
Fat equals happy.
Na zdrowie.
It's pretty good.
Yep.
It's pretty good. So you've been here for 16 years. Like, have you noticed any change in British mentality or the British way of life?
Not really, to be honest with you, because from the beginning I started adapting myself to this mentality, and I I think I like it.
What were some changes from the Polish mentality to a British one?
Oh, I'm more open to stuff,
Like what?
like everything. I'm accepting everything I can see. I'm not judging people
In London?
in general. Yeah.
I hear this a lot.
Come on, you can go semi-naked on the street. And
No one cares.
No one cares.
Yeah.
So what fashion you're going to design and what you're going to put on, no one will pay attention to you. And I love it. Do you know what I mean?
So in
You
Poland, it's not like that?
It's not that. I mean, big cities, of course, is pretty much similar. But I
Yeah.
come from a small town, so everyone knows pretty much everyone.
Yeah.
So if I will wear some crazy stuff or outfit, I'd be like, whoa. Nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying you are more visible there. Here, man, you're one of many.
I always say London is its own bubble,
Yeah,
and outside London
It's
is a
different.
different world,
it
right?
is indeed. But that's what I love about this place.
Same.
It's just so colorful.
Yeah.
And culture is completely different. I've been learning so many new stuff about this country, people. It's just beautiful. I love the journey here.
I like hearing kind of positive stuff about that because especially over the last few years, my opinion of England has changed
Like,
in a
what
kind of
ways?
negative way.
Really?
Since Brexit, pretty much. Like when the day after that vote happened, I was like, "Oh, are you serious? We actually voted for that?
Yeah.
Why?" And it was such a disappointing time as a British person. But it's nice to hear some kind of positive things.
Is it good?
This is so ridiculously good. I want this all the time. This would be great drunk food.
Yeah. Good. This is healthy, by the way, With the,
Sure. What are some stereotypes that Polish people have about British people? And did any of them turn out to be true?
oh, that's a good one.
Also,
Yes.
cheers, Strovia. Bye.
Cheers, zdrowie. Good one. Stereotype, right? Politeness. It's just I feel like here is the extra. Like, next one, please. I love this. Please, thank you. This is really something I love.
Isn't okay?
No, I'm not saying that Polish people don't say stuff like that. They do, but I can hear like an excess of it, like a lot. Please, thank you. Please, thank you. Sense of humor. That's the good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like what?
Like extremely sarcastic.
Yeah, we do like that.
Yeah. Or
We
ironic.
love that.
It's a cool thing. Like people talking in the pub, they just slam each other all the time, and no one is angry. I love that.
Yeah.
It's really positive.
It's a show of affection almost. To say the worst thing can show I really like you.
Exactly.
This is a lot.
Na zdrówka.
Oh. Okay, so tell me about these.
Fudge.
Yeah.
And it's just my memory from my childhood. You will love it.
It's a childhood sweet.
It is indeed.
Oh my god, I'm excited. Thank you. What would you be doing in this memory?
Being on the playground, playing with my friends, and having that.
That's some really good fudge.
I'm
Oh my god.
It's not hard, because
They're so good. Can I have another one? Thanks.
did you enjoy yourself? Did you actually enjoy yourself?
I can never look at a hash brown and be satisfied ever again because this is like next level hash brown. So thanks for ruining my life.
Oh, that's actually. I'll take it as a compliment. Thank you, Ali. Polish way. Here we go.